In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a homepage meta title and meta description in Shopify. These two little pieces of text are really important for your store's search engine optimization, or SEO, and they're often the first impression people get when they see your site in Google or other search results. Let's start from your main Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll see a section labeled Online Store. Go ahead and click on Online Store. When you do that, a few more options will appear underneath it. From those options, you're looking for one called Preferences. Click on Preferences to open the settings we need. When the Preferences page loads, scroll down until you find a section called Social Sharing Image and SEO. This is where Shopify lets you control how your homepage looks and reads in search results and when it's shared on social media. Inside this section, you'll see fields for your homepage title and your homepage meta description. Now, let's fill those in. The homepage title is your meta title. This is the blue clickable headline that appears in search results. A good guideline is to keep it between 50 and 70 characters. That length is usually short enough so it doesn't get cut off, but long enough to include your main keyword and something about your brand. You can also choose to include your brand name at the end, separated by a dash or a vertical bar. For example, you might say something like Premium Men's Essentials and Everyday Wear, your brand name. The exact wording should clearly describe what your store offers. Next, move on to the homepage meta description. This is the short paragraph that appears below the title in search results. Aim for around 150 to 160 characters. Use this space to briefly explain what makes your store special, what type of products you offer, and maybe include a subtle call to action like discover, shop, or explore. Think of it as a mini pitch that encourages people to click through to your site. Take a moment to review both fields, making sure they're free of spelling and grammar errors, and that they accurately represent your store. When you're happy with your homepage title and meta description, look up toward the top of the page, near the search bar in the admin, and click the Save button. This step is crucial. Your changes won't apply unless you save them. Once you've saved, your new homepage meta title and meta description will be used by search engines the next time they crawl your site, helping your Shopify store stand out more clearly in search results.